There's some other updates too with Search Console. I don't know if you got to see too much on that.
A little bit about the video. They're monitoring video now in Search Console. I didn't look into it much. I don't have much info about that right now.
Yeah, they did send out like an email warning too. We actually had some of our clients contact us to say, hey, is this something we should worry about? Essentially just saying like you don't have your videos marked up on your website. Like they're starting to promote markup, and that's why with the recent statement that the core update didn't include backlinks, and then the integrations with markup and tracking different types of content in the Search Console, and like we just said, Google probably not putting so much emphasis on links. They're probably really starting to look more at the on page of the site. Again, with the link attributes, we're probably going to be seeing them gathering more data of how the website itself is using the link attributes versus the links that they're getting from those link attributes. Like I mentioned when Mark was on the show, a press release site, those would all be either sponsored or, you know, like a guest post. So depending on what type of content platform you are, it's going to drastically change the way you're going to identify your links. So I think there is going to be a massive emphasis on page, the type of content you have, marking it up. We've already seen it start with FAQ and all the changes with schema and the review stars. Another thing too in Search Console, I don't know if you've ever looked into it, if anyone else has, but they actually have the Discover section. Are you familiar with Google Discover? The app on your phone? It's like not Chrome. I honestly didn't even really ever use this, but they have a feed in there. It's almost like Google's Facebook, where they try to feed you relevant information from their index based on previous search history and things like that. And you can actually find metrics in your Search Console about your Discover, impressions, clicks, and metrics for that kind of stuff. So there's a lot of emphasis on content, how it's formatted, how people are interacting with it, how they're finding it.
And then making sure it's also readable, machine readable, very easily too.
Exactly.
It's all about semantics and Web 3.0.
Yeah.
Moving how machines interact with machines and optimizing for that now. Because at the end of the day, your website now has to, it needs to be integrated fully with the bots, right? Tell the bot exactly what everything is. Mark your whole page up. I mean, you're definitely right. They've been moving that way for a while now, and it's just, I think, a continuation of it.
It's a lot of exciting stuff for sure.
Interesting.